Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Wix website, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a picture carousel to your Wix website? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a picture carousel to your Wix website anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business selling products through your Wix website, you know it's important to have various photos of your products to help with the conversion ratio. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Wix account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Wix account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and add a picture carousel, first you have to choose the website you're going to be working on. So for example, I'll choose this one. If you don't see this page for some reason, don't worry, just click on all sites here and then just choose the website you want to work on. Once you've chosen the website, it's going to bring you to the dashboard for that one particular website. And in order to add a picture carousel, what you're going to do is go to the Wix website editor. So just click on this blue edit site button. Okay, so once you do that, it's going to show the editor in your Wix account. And in order to add a picture carousel, first you have to choose the page you're going to add the carousel to. And how you do that is right up here on the top left, it says page. Click on the downward arrow, and then now it's going to show all the pages that you currently have on your Wix website. So I'll go ahead and choose this one. Okay, so once you've chosen the page, we're ready to go ahead and add our picture carousel. So how you're going to do that is here on the left side, there's this blue plus icon. Go ahead and click there. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click on this button here called Gallery. And then once you do that, you're going to see the different types of carousels and galleries that are available for images. So if you want a carousel, let's see here. Well, they have this one right here. So it's a showcase, and the user is going to need to click on these little arrows to move the carousel around. And then you also have this one, so you can slide by grabbing. And they also have this one. It's an accordion. Here's another slider carousel. Here's a slider, but it's a setup like sphere. This one looks pretty cool. So I'm going to go ahead and use this to make my carousel. So all you're going to do is just click on it and hold, and then just drag it right on over into your website. And you can see it has that turquoise outline. That is where your picture carousel is going to lay down. So we'll go ahead and just put it right here. Okay, so now we have a picture carousel. So these are not our images. So what we're going to do is up here on the left, as long as it says slider spheres and it has this blue box around, that means we're working on that element. And we're going to click on change images. Okay, so here's where you can go ahead and reorder the images. So this one's in the first position. We'll move it over to the fourth. And then maybe this is the second. We'll move that to first. And if you want to delete any, you just click on delete. Now you might be wondering, well, these images are not really related to my website. That's okay. You can go ahead and just click on the image. And then you see on the right here, you're going to see the image again in the background. Just click on replace image. All right. Once you do that, it's going to open up your site files. So any image that you have uploaded into your Wix website would be here. So you just grab the picture you want for your gallery. So for example, this one, and you click on choose image, and you can see the image now changes. Now, if there's another image that you want to go ahead and add in there, just go ahead and replace image once again. And if the image is not here, you just click on upload media. All right. And here you can go ahead and upload for your computer. So let me go ahead and grab a new image. Okay. It's uploading a new image right here. Okay. Now you can see the image there, and you just click on choose image. And now you can see it is there in my picture carousel, and you can go ahead and add a title. So make money, Anthony. All right. Here you can go ahead and describe. This is a map. All right. And then you want to click on done. Okay. So here is our carousel, and it doesn't actually take effect until you publish. However, if you want to resize this, because as you can see, it's kind of large for this particular website, all you do is just grab on these little white dots and then just kind of shrink it down. All right. So that looks good. And then you can grab this one and just make it a little shorter if you want. So there you go. That looks good. And now it's off center. So I'm just going to grab the whole box and just drag it right on over, and I'll make it center because when you see that line turns pink, that lets you know it's center. Okay. I think we're ready to go ahead and publish. Okay. Now I get this pop-up saying that my picture carousel has published. And if you want to see what it looks like, click on this preview button here on the top right. Okay. Then it opens up the user version. So whoever ends up on this page to see my picture gallery, as you see, if they hover over it, it's just going to go ahead and start moving on its own. So that's pretty cool. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a picture gallery into your Wix website, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.